Good day, students. Today we shall learn the second poem, Confessions of a Born Spectator, written by an American poet, Ogden Nash. Ogden Nash was born on 19th October 1902 and he lived up to 19th May 1971. He was an American poet, well known for his light verse, of which he wrote over 500 pieces. He published his first poem in the year 1930 in New York Magazine. He was mainly known for writing satirical poems on various matters of life, mainly on the behavioral aspects of kids, adult men and women. With his unconventional rhyming schemes, he was declared the country's best known producer of humorous poetry. His light verse even earned him a place on a postage stamp. Well, we shall read the poem, the poetic verses, and then we shall move on to the meaning of the poem. One infant grows up and becomes a jockey, another plays basketball or hockey. This one the prize ring hates to enter, that one becomes a tackle or center. I am just glad as glad can be that I am not them, that they are not me. With all my heart I do admire athletes who sweat for fun or hire, who take the field in gaudy pomp and maim each other as they roam. My limp and bashful spirit feeds on other people's heroic deeds. Now A runs 90 yards to score, B knocks the champion to the floor, cracking vertebrae and spines, lashes his steed across the line. You would think my ego it would please to swap positions with one of these. Well, ego it might be pleased enough, but zealous athletes play so rough. They do not ever in their dealings consider one another's feelings. I am glad that when my struggle begins, twixt prudence and ego, prudence wins. When swollen eyes meet gnarled fist, when snaps the knee and cracks the wrist, when officialdom demands, is there a doctor in the stands? My soul in true thanksgiving speaks for this modest of physics. Athletes, I will drink with you or eat with you or anything except compete with you. Buy tickets worth their radium to watch you gamble in the stadium and reassure myself anew that you are not me and I am not you. In this poem, Ogden Nash talks about how people choose different sports in their lives or decide to become athletes. While admiring the talents of athletes and sportsmen, the poet confesses that he is glad that he is neither a sportsman nor an athlete. Children have different aims and wish to play various games. Each child has in his mind something in particular, but the narrator is glad he is not one of the players. Though the narrator admires the talents of all athletes, he derives satisfaction but does not wish to exchange places with them. He prefers that good sense and caution win over ego. The narrator wholeheartedly offers thanksgiving to the modest physics of athletes. Ultimately, the narrator is satisfied that he himself is not an athlete. He also sometimes regrets that zealous athletes play rough games without caring for the feelings of their sporting rivals. Thus, the athletes have no concern for the feelings of others. They are zealous and bent on winning. This contributes to the injuries to them. The poet says that he would buy a ticket to witness the games and celebrate the winning along with the athletes by drinking and dining with them. But he never likes to be an athlete and he wants only to be a spectator. Hope you would understand the meaning of the poem. Please try to read the verses and understand on your own. Thank you.